Cold start.
Oh, battery's kind of low.
If I using the gold point of the exit, but you're backed up across the Narrows Bridge.